Today we are going to make super crispy cheese stuffed potatoes with just 4 ingredients. First, you will need 2 peeled potatoes. Chop the potatoes into cubes. No need to cut so small. Be very careful with your hands when handling the knife. Let it cook for a few minutes. Wait until the potatoes are ready to mash. Next, place the boiled potatoes in a container and start mashing. If you don't have a kneader like this, you can use a fork too. The potatoes should have the texture of a puree. Now let's put some salt. If you want, you can add paprika. We use smoked. Add half a cup of cornstarch tea. This will help with the crunch. Then mix everything with your hands until it becomes a smooth dough like this. If you want, you can add a little black pepper. Then add a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Now let's knead well so that it is homogeneous. When the dough looks like this, we'll put it in bags. You can use food storage bags like this one or whatever you have at home. In each bag, you will put a little of the dough in this way. Then, with the help of a rolling pin, spread it out until it is approximately 1 centimeter thick. If you don't have a roller, you can use a bottle too. After that, open the bags in this way. Be careful not to break up the dough. Now cut into strips like these. At this moment I would like to know what city you are watching our video from so I can send a special thank you on our next recipe. Leave it in the comments. Then cut the other side so they are smaller. Once cut, let's fry in hot oil. It is very important that you comment in this video what you think of our recipes. In this way, we can improve more and more. Let them fry until they are golden brown. Separate the strips well so they don't stick to each other. Now you can remove and drain the oil well. Place on a paper-lined plate to set. Perfect. They are crispy and delicious. You can serve it with your favorite sauce. Do it at your house and tell me if it was yummy. See you next time.